Welcome back to our C66 feature series, the rugged mobile computer built for smart enterprise. The built-in UHF reader, powered by Impinj E510, reads tags up to 2.7 meters, perfect for retail, inventory, and asset management workflows. Optional fingerprint recognition with TCS1 or TLK1NC02 ensures secure access with FBI, STQC, and FIPS 201 certifications. C66's NFC supports M1 CPU cards and tags for contactless verification and smart transactions. Chainway C66, rugged, secure, and smart, the future of mobile computing in your hands.